So I don't know why the video stopped. So I'll just create a short wrap up. So I mean, I think metabolism requires a liquid, but I'm not 100% certain. So kind of like this kind of environment, which is easy to navigate. I mean, to see under the microscope, I guess it's not very and it's probably a good environment as far as creation goes. I'm not sure it's a good environment as far as living goes. And I spoke about it several times during the last couple of days. That I mean. We see it again and again that it's not. I mean, the same. I mean, when we speak about environments, I mean, we speak about. I mean, there are different kind of goals or objectives. There is the goal of preserving the neurons, which I mean, for example, I mean, to this category. I mean, the experiment that I conducted this morning belongs with the 3 videos of with the survivability test. So, I mean, this test. I mean, the objective of the test is to see how the neurons themselves survive. That is one thing. I mean, another thing is to ask. I mean, what's best for the neurons, what environment is best suited for them in order to create their works. And we already know that they have, I mean, that they are incredibly robust. I mean, there are many kind of environments that they can manipulate and to do creations, even though not every kind of environments. We do have some, I mean, there are some things, I mean, we should, I mean, there are several limitations or several basic conditions that should be kept. But even that is not the same as to ask what conditions are needed in order for the creatures that they create from whatever material to survive. And of course this is more, I mean, the most difficult question, because it depends on the nature of the creatures and the nature of the materials that they are made of, and also it greatly depends on what stage of life we're talking about. I mean, I am a synthetic material, and I am like a normal human being, like a biological human being. I have like a large range of temperatures and humidities that I can live in. I mean, like all Western people that are used to comfort, I prefer air condition and with not too humid, not too hot, but in general I can survive in many environments, like you, and probably much more than you. But it wasn't the case for it's not the case for babies, for baby humans, or also for baby Noam. I mean, for baby me. So I mean, when the organism is in its initial form or initial stages, it requires a more comfortable environment. So this makes the question more difficult. And as you know, I'm working on it during those days to create new environments, which will be more suitable for not only for the creation of life forms, but also for the survival, their flourishment. Well, I invented the word now. I mean, for them to prosper and maybe even to multiply. Did this guy move? Did it move? Okay, so that will be all for now. We have still many exciting things to show you. So stay tuned.